Hello guys, I hope you're well. Happy New Year again. As you can see, I cutted my hair. Finally, it was about time because it was very messy. Anyway, in today's video, I'm gonna sell bags and accessories as per usual on the Wednesday's video. Everything is available on my website, bamluxurystore.com. I deliver worldwide. I deliver to the US, to Canada, to anywhere where you're watching. Don't hesitate to ask me on the website. It's written, I don't cover custom, but now we do actually. So I need to upload it on the website, but I do it. So don't hesitate to ask anything. I'll be very happy to reply to you. Don't hesitate to follow this YouTube channel and my Instagram page, personal and BLS. Let's go. Let's start with this one actually. I have lots of things to show you today. You're gonna be amazed. Everything goes through Entrepreneur certificate and my expertise. I'm French, I live in Spain, and I'm a bag lover, probably as you are if you clicked on this video. Don't hesitate to say hi in the comments and let me know which item did you prefer in this video. First one is this one with the box, and the little chain is going out. We have the dust bag, as you can see. This is a special item. We also do have some little papers from the brand. This is an as new item, I have to admit. And this is the Félicie pouch in empreinte leather, red empreinte leather, beautiful. The only thing on this item is probably like a few mini scratches on the hardware, on the press button, but that's it. It's as new. This is a pouch bag that you can wear on crossbody or like under the arm. You could also switch chains and put something else from another bag. It's something you can do, guys. Anyway, otherwise, this is in excellent condition. You have the two pouches that are in excellent condition too, and inside as well. This is very, very good. I'm in love. I do provide the Entrepreneur certificate on this one, for example. For every item over 1,500 euro, I do provide it with it. Under 1,500, I do the Entrepreneur certificate, but you need to pay more. Like you need to pay the certificate to get it. But I do Entrepreneur on every item that I have. It's very important. Do you know Entrepreneur, by the way, or not? Okay, this one is 990 euro. I will try. I don't promise anything because I'm very sick these days and very late for work to fit like the USD price. Otherwise, on the website, you can find the USD price if you're from the States. But voila. So this is a Bottega Andiamo pouch with the dust bag. This is as new, I would say. Excellent condition, very rare to get in pre-loved. Bordeaux for the color, that is dark red. Beautiful gold hardware. This is such a beauty. I love it. The price is so interesting. It's 2,190 euro. In store, I believe it's 2,400. So we are below retail price. This is rare for pre-loved. Little bit used here as you close and open it. And I'll show you the inside, but it's in great condition, guys. Look, this is my price tag. It's here. But excellent condition. And yeah, price tag is 2,190 euro. I love this pouch. I was this close to keep it for me, like to buy it from the clients. But I already bought like lots of few things lately and I'm running out of budget. I need to put some money apart and work better now. So this one is available on the website as well. I'm releasing lots of things tonight. Don't hesitate also to subscribe to the newsletter on the website to receive the email every Wednesday with the backdrop. Then something a little bit vintage. This is a Celine pouch in macadam canvas. Very good condition. Hardware a little bit used. Corners almost not rubbed, very, very little. And this one is bigger than what I used to have. Two pouches. This is great. Condition is amazing. You have a zipper pocket. You have a little odor inside, but it's very minor. It's 220 euro. Very good price. Okay, now something I fell in love with. This is a bag that I received from a client with a dust bag. This is a Kipol XS in leather. It is khaki green leather. Beautiful bag. This is from men's collection, but this is a woman client that left the bag for me. She got it as a gift from her sister, but she didn't like the color in the end, so she's trying to sell it for getting the same but in different color. This is such a nice bag. I prefer this one to Speedy, actually, in my opinion, because it fits way better to the body. It's more nice, and you don't have the handles that's a bit bothering. The strap is adjustable. This is a good point. And it's as new, guys. As new, as you can see. Beautiful bag, as new, beautiful inside. And the price is very interesting. In store in Europe, it's 2,300 euro, and we sell it for 1,000, I believe, 650 euro. This is such a steal. This is such a good deal. And we do provide the Entrepreneur certificate on this one. So go for it. This is for men's collection, but it's mixed. So it can go also for women, as you can see. I love this one personally. Next, I have so many things to show you today. Speedy size 30, monogram canvas. It's from the 80s, but still great condition. No odor. Corners are almost neutral. The handles are a little bit tan, but almost nothing. You have the leather part. And in this one, you have some little stain on the inside, but almost nothing. This is why you should add a bag organizer to keep the shape on the bag. But because without the shape, with nothing inside, this is how it looks. Not great. I'm going to show you with a bag organizer. This is a bag organizer that I have on the website. I do have some bag organizer for some bags, not everything. If you're looking for one, don't hesitate to tell me. I just received ones for Métis Pochette. I'll try to get them for a few other stuff, but you know. And this is now how it looks with the bag organizer. As you can see, it stays better shape and it allows you not to damage a bag on the inside. If you damage a bag, it will be the bag organizer and not the bag itself. So it's a very good one for the price. You should get it, honestly. Anyway, this one is 510 euro. Next for today, we have Hermès box. This is not from the VP, okay? I know this was VP in France, like private sale in France not so long ago, but it's not from it. I believe in France, you don't have exotic leather in VP. Kelly bracelet in lizard, exotic leather, gold hardware, beautiful, very good condition, size 2, 549 euro. Then, little Fendi bucket bag, so excited, this is such a beauty. And this is a very good blue. Leather is very good condition of the bag is excellent. You can wear it either with a strap like this or with the strap. The strap is adjustable also, you can make it shorter or longer. This is a very good little bag, price is insane. And you can fit a phone inside. My 13 Pro Max fits with lots of different things, 780 euro. Look, it's beautiful, honestly. Do you like this bag or not? I love this one. Color is great. Next, Prada. And this is a re-edition in nylon. I have an invoice from Montaigne in Paris. It was bought there. Beautiful item, beautiful little bag in red. Little stain on the bottom, but otherwise great condition. And the price is so interesting. Price is 420 euro. This is a classic one. This is a very easy bag to wear. It's so easy. I actually kind of love it. Especially for spring summer, it's so easy to wear. You can fit all your stuff. We are with the re-edition and it's 420 euro. This is a very good price for this type of bag. Very functional, easy to wear. Next is a Saint Laurent item again. I have a box and you're gonna love it. This is so beautiful. The Upton pouch from Saint Laurent in grained leather beige color, as you can see, and gold heather. This is so chic, as new, honestly. Very good. Like, I love it. This is, I have nothing to say on it because it's as new and the price is 420 euro. It's a beautiful one. Next, Louis Vuitton with the box and the dust bag. And we have the chapeau box boîte. So chapeau means hat. So this is a hat bag. Il est magnifique. Beautiful bag in monogram canvas and leather. Condition is very good. It was used already. You have a strap that you can adjust. So it's actually super good. It was used a little bit. You can see trace of wear, but it's little. You have some rubbing here. You have a little tag. I love this bag. And you have the zipper, so you can open and close the bag. There is a secure way, I would say. Inside is very good. Some trace of wear, but almost nothing. And the price is very good. It's 1,590 euro. When you know the price of these babies in retail, this is a good price. Next is a bag that you all love. This is a bucket bag from Celine. It looks like a Noé from Louis Vuitton. This one, you can actually use it as a crossbody bag. So this is good for an everyday use. You can close here a little bit. This is nice. My computer is a 14 Pro Max. 14 Pro, yes, MacBook. It fits, but it's a little bit higher, but it fits. On the base, you have some trace of wear, corners a little bit rubbed. This is a vintage one, but we love it so much. You have a zipper pocket on the side, so this is actually good. You can go in front and in the back. So useful, very chic. The inside is large. You have a zipper pocket. One stitching is a little bit damaged, but that's it. The strap is adjustable on both sides, and the thing that is damaged, there is a very good other. It's Smell like baby. I love it. Anyway, the damaged parts are on the leather part here. It's not bad because you have something on it, you know? The leather is just the cover, so it's not gonna break in any case. But, you know, it's damaged on this way. This is why the price is low. 540 euro for this baby. Next, Balenciaga with the dust bag. And this one is new. This is a mini one. It looks like an Alma BB from Louis Vuitton. This is brand new. You still have like the protection sticker on the bottom. It's a gorgeous one, adjustable strap. So it can be like a very nice one. I perfectly see this bag, for example, for wedding, for summer on a beautiful colorful dress or a white dress, even for like a very winter autumn style. It can make like a little touch of color. I like it. But yeah, this is a brand new one. Nothing to say on this one. Interior is in leather. You have one zipper pocket and a smaller pocket here. You have the papers. And the price is actually very good. It's 615 euros, so this is a good deal. Next is a Gucci bag with a dust bag. I'm in love with this bag. This comes with a strap that you can adjust and remove. I'm gonna show you up. Let's remove the strap, for example, and it makes you like a small little bags like this, very fancy. I don't know what are your thoughts. You can adjust also. This is a rare bag. This bag is almost, this one is as new, never used, beautiful, and it's 1,090 euro. I'll show you the opening and the inside. And it's light blue. I love it. Micro scratches on the hardware, but that's it, guys. This was the drop of today. It was insane. Everything is available on the website, pamluxpro.com. Make sure to comment the bag that you preferred. My preference, I think, goes for, it's hard, but I think it goes for either this one or the Keyboard XS. I love both of them. I love also the bucket, Celine. I don't know. I love everything. Let me know in the comment what's your preference. Like this video, and I'll see you on the next one this Sunday with the new prices of Hermès. I'm gonna deliver you the new prices that we got online, and thanks to some people that got in store. And I'll see you soon. Bisous. Merci.